Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a powerful question. How can you make money without money? The world often tells us you need capital to start, but the Bible shows us that faith, wisdom, and obedience can unlock doors to wealth, even when you start with nothing. Stay tuned, because in a few minutes, I'll share timeless Bible principles that can help you create wealth from zero. Principle 1. Use what you have. Open book 2 Kings 4 verses 1-7, the widow's oil. She thought she had nothing, but Elisha asked, "What do you have in your house?" She had just a small jar of oil. That little resource became the foundation for her miracle and financial breakthrough. Electric light bulb lesson. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need to recognize what you already have: skills, time, relationships, or even small tools. White heavy checkmark practical step. Write down your abilities, talents, or even things in your home you could use or sell. Principle 2. Wisdom is greater than money. Open book Proverbs 3 verses 13-15. Wisdom is more precious than rubies. Wisdom creates opportunities. Joseph in Egypt didn't start with wealth. He started with wisdom and interpretation of dreams. That opened doors to influence and prosperity. Electric light bulb lesson. When you pursue wisdom, opportunities for wealth will follow. White heavy checkmark practical step. Invest time daily in learning. Read, study, and grow in knowledge of your craft or calling. Principle 3. Work diligently. Open book Proverbs 10 verse 4. Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Ruth didn't wait for handouts. She went to glean in the fields. That diligence positioned her for divine connection with Boaz. Electric light bulb lesson. Diligence attracts provision. You don't need money to start working. You need willingness. White heavy checkmark practical step. Volunteer, offer free services, or start small projects that could grow into bigger income streams. Principle 4. Network and relationships. Open book Ecclesiastes 4 verses 9-10. Two are better than one. The Bible emphasizes community. Connections can open doors money cannot. David had no wealth when he faced Goliath, but his relationship with God and later with Jonathan gave him access to the palace. Electric light bulb lesson. People are doors. Relationships can provide mentorship, opportunities, and partnerships that lead to financial growth. White heavy checkmark practical step. Serve others genuinely, join communities, and build strong networks. Principle 5. Be faithful in little. Open book Luke 16 verse 10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. The servant who was faithful with 5 talents multiplied them and received more. Even small responsibilities can lead to great wealth when managed well. Electric light bulb lesson. Don't despise small beginnings. Excellence in small things attracts bigger opportunities. White heavy checkmark practical step. Manage your current income wisely, no matter how little, and track your expenses. Principle 6. Seek first the kingdom. Open book Matthew 6 verse 33. Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. When your focus is on God's purpose, he provides resources. Solomon asked for wisdom, not wealth, yet God gave him both riches and honor. Electric light bulb lesson. Money follows purpose. When you align with God's plan, provision flows. White heavy checkmark practical step. Pray daily for direction and align your skills with service to God and people. Principle 7. Generosity multiplies. Open book Luke 6 verse 38. Give, and it shall be given unto you. The boy with 5 loaves and 2 fish gave what little he had, and it fed thousands. Generosity unlocks supernatural multiplication. Electric light bulb lesson. Even if you don't have much, you can give your time, energy, or kindness, and God rewards it. White heavy checkmark practical step. Find someone to bless today, not with money, but with service, encouragement, or support. Conclusion. So, how do you make money without money? Start with what you have, pursue wisdom. Work diligently, build relationships. Be faithful in little, seek God first, live generously. The Bible shows us that wealth is not about how much money you start with. It's about how you apply God's principles. If you apply these truths, doors will open, opportunities will arise, and abundance will follow. White right pointing backhand index. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more faith-based wealth wisdom.